What's up, Stripe Nation? Blake Albertson here with B&B Lawn Care. It's tax time. It's coming up. I just got done sending off my information to my accountant, but I bet there's some of you out there that don't know what Form 4136 is. One of the few ways to get money back from our friends at the IRS. If you don't believe me, right here, right off of the IRS.gov website, Form 4136, guys. It's the credit for federal taxes paid on your fuel. 20 cents of every gallon of gas that you purchase goes to maintaining public roads. But for guys like us, for farmers, lawn and landscape companies, if you're using that gas for mowers, blowers, trimmers, anything that's not transportation related, like what most of us, your chainsaws, hedge trimmers, all of that stuff is not using the public roadways. So you can file a Form 4136 and get that money back because you weren't using it for transportation on those public roadways that those taxes pay for. We have a sponsor for this video, FuelCred. The reason that is helpful is because FuelCred is an app that automatically tracks your fuel expenses, categorizes them, and fills out your Form 4136 so you can just print it out and give it to your accountant and he can file it and the IRS will send you that money back. If you're like me, you haven't been filing this, you can still go back at the time of this recording, fill out your 2020 forms and get that money back and now start doing it. The price of the app, FuelCred, is so minimal because for a lot of us, we haven't been getting this money back anyways. Download the app, pay them to fill out this form and automatically track all of this stuff. I'm telling you, like, super minimal compared to the money that you could be getting back. When I first heard this, I'm like, this sounds sketchy, dude. Like, what? Anytime the IRS is giving you money back, like, I'm like, what in the world? We need to question this. But I dug deeper. Guys, this is like, all of this is fully legitimate. This fuel tax is meant for on-road transportation. The normal average Joe driving to his job, this tax makes sense because he is diminishing the roadways and things like that. If you're using it on lawnmowers on Susie's lawn, has nothing to do with the public roadways. That money is owed back to you. So do your research, ask your accountant, talk to them. I always suggest that anytime we're dealing with tax stuff, you'll do your own research, learn about it, and then ask your accountant because, you know, they know you, your business, and the tax laws the best. Ask your accountant, have you guys been doing this? I asked mine, he said no. I'm super happy that FuelCred reached out and the very first question was, hey Blake, we just want to let you know about this fuel tax and are you getting this money? They say the average lawn guy is getting $600 back at the end of the year from this fuel tax. So super cool. Like if it costs a couple bucks for the app, but you're getting back $600 that you wouldn't be getting already, I mean, it's kind of a beautiful thing, man. So FuelCred's gonna make this super easy and painless to do. Like I said, I really wanna emphasize this. Free money is the scariest term in the world because we all know that nothing is free. But this is already a tax that you paid at the pump. If gas is $1.99, you'll notice on the receipt, there's no taxes charged on top of that $1.99 because it's already included on the per gallon price. So that $1.99 already has that fuel tax included in there. So you've already paid this money. It would be just like getting a return at the end of the year when you file your taxes and you've paid in too much throughout the year. It doesn't really happen too often in our business, but sometimes your quarterly tax calculations are too high. You're sending too much money to the IRS. Maybe you had some more expenses this year. Maybe the year didn't go exactly as you planned or whatever. And you get money back at the end of the year. It's the same thing. They're not sending you random money. This isn't the IRS's money. This is money you've already paid. Like if you're paying your quarterly income tax estimates, like most businesses are, let's say you overpaid on your quarterly tax estimates, okay? That money, if you get a tax return at the end of the year, that's money, that's your money. You've already sent it in, you just sent them way too much. And you lent them money interest free, by the way. That's a funny kind of like Dave Ramsey joke, but it's very true. So this isn't free random money. The government Finally, the government came to save us. It's not that. It's money you already paid at the pump, so you might as well get it back and use it to go, you know, even if it's $600 or $500 or $400, you know, it's money you already paid in. You might as well get it and you can go get a new backpack blower or something, whatever it is. FuelCred and I just wanted to bring this to your guys' attention. I think it's super cool. I'm gonna file it for 2020, for 2021, you know, get some money back, and any little bit helps it. Hey, if it's a couple $100, it's a couple $100 that I didn't have yesterday. So, hope you guys are getting your tax stuff put together. I thought this would be a little bit of good news on top of dealing with all of your tax stresses. Maybe this will be a couple $100 that you didn't have yesterday that you'll have tomorrow. And that's it, guys. Thank you to FuelCred for sponsoring this video, bringing this to my attention, and hopefully now I can bring this to your attention and we can all, you know, get a little money back. So that's it, guys. I'll leave links down below to the IRS's website so you can read more about it, to FuelCred's website so you can look more into it. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace!